With Halloween coming in a few days, I thought it'd be a good time to do a really scary, epic artwork. Hey everyone, my name is Sai Siddharth, and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials and videos based on art. So, yep, let's do a really scary artwork. So, in this artwork I decided to incorporate 3 characters. A mailman who just got burnt and became a skeleton, a zombie and a clown. Yep. Okay, so first things first, the skeleton. One thing that I found particularly spooky was that when you just mix up the proportions, like put the head a bit smaller or the legs a bit longer, it just spookifies the thing a lot. Like it becomes really scary. So I decided to make it more childish proportions, so it'll be extra epic. Another thing that I found particularly interesting while I was drawing the skeleton was that when you draw more scratches and more torn clothes, it just makes it more realistic, as though it's really been burnt. And next, to the clown. This one was it's like the most favorite character that I have done in this. Especially like since because of the Joker feel, since Joker is just extra cool and extra freaky. It was pretty cool drawing this character, especially on a bicycle riding, and then incorporating 3 balls where, as though he was juggling with his hands red with blood, and the balls, they're actually white in color but they're just red because of the blood. Okay, so next was the zombie. Zombies, it was pretty easy, just draw it won't look that much like a zombie when you're just drawing it, but when you're giving the colors, the greenish tint, the more olive green, it just makes it look awesome. And next was just a pretty good background. I decided to go with a spooky tower and then a scarecrow, and I decided to draw bats as I was coloring in the background. So lightening it all up, and now going with the inking. Enjoy. So instead of just using color pencils, I used crayons, oil pastels to get that rich color in the characters, so that the background is more faded and it's pretty dark, but the characters, when I use the rich colors of the oil pastel, it just sort of pops them out, so they look more realistic.